Welcome to our section. I'll be as quickly as possible because we are running out of time. Uh, my presentation is about what ICT teachers, I mean information and communication technology teachers, think about their profession and the course they teach. Uh, I am the second author here. The first author is my undergraduate student, a senior in ICT department. And since he is gonna be an ICT teacher, he would like to study their problems in this graduation project. The rationale of our study, there have been many political and practical changes made in Turkish educational system about teaching children information and communication technologies in terms of related course name, credit, curriculum, textbook, and finally their teachers. In addition to the reason for the changes made in education, it is also important how the practitioners, I mean teachers, feel about and respond to these changes and specifically how these changes affect their professional identity. Therefore, the main purpose of this research is to investigate ICT teachers' feelings and opinions about the current and the future status of their teaching profession and ICT courses they taught. The research is grounded on two main concepts. The first one is professional identity, is generally known as a conscious awareness of oneself as a worker. It has three main dimensions, which include how much one cares about his professional roles, uh, how interesting he or she finds them, and how compatible he or she views them with his or her other roles. And when we look at the related literature, we found that many empirical studies approached identity with specific lenses. One group of studies focus on personal factors. The others focus on the context of teacher education programs. The next one includes sites or school context. The final one includes external factors. I don't want to spend many time on these subjects. ICT teachers in Turkey, since the target population of this study include them, I would like to share brief background information and historical development of these teachers. The departments of computer education and instructional technologies were established in 1998 in Turkey. These departments have been offering pre-service education to train ICT teachers. Ministry of Education is the biggest employer in this country to assign as many as needed among the graduates to public schools. And since 2013, they have been teaching information technology and software course, which I herefore called is IT course. In fifth and sixth grade as a compulsory course, and seventh and eighth grade as a selective courses. Plenty of regulation or change have been performed by Ministry of National Education over the years regarding the title of IT courses, course hours, either they are elective or compulsory, curriculums and resources. Additionally, ICT teachers were assigned with various duties. As you see here, they are responsible for mainly teaching students IT knowledge and skills, leading technology integration in the schools, helping other teachers use educational technologies, being a model for ethical use of technology, keeping technical tools working properly. Of course, these here are the some interesting findings from the literature. ICT teachers experience some problems about these changes and regulations German to their occupation. And previous research includes several factors such as increasing work overload, coming with reforms and changes, value job definitions, varying perception of others about them, technical problems in ICT labs, inefficiency of curriculum, and problems in teacher education. Of course, these factors may eventually bring about some emotional burnouts, as well as occupational stress, which damaging their professional identity. Therefore, it is important to explore their perspectives towards teaching profession. This is what exactly my students aimed in this study. We designed our study as a case study because we find it very suitable for our specific purpose of examining feelings and opinions of our target population. The participants of the study includes 10 ICT teachers selected from a specific platform on Facebook. We sent an invitation letter to this platform, and 10 teachers were voluntary to participate in the study. 7 of them male and 3 of them females. And their teaching experience ranged between 2 and 11 years. And they all working in junior high schools from 5th to 8th grades. We collect our data by using a semi-structured interview protocol, but due to COVID-19 lockdowns, we conduct this study at the beginning of the COVID-19. Therefore, we couldn't meet face-to-face. So we sent the written questions to them, and they returned back with written answers. Here are the framing questions, interview questions. So we used the regular inductive data analysis in the qualitative research. 5 main themes emerged from the data. The first theme is about the perception of teachers as a technical staff. 80% of the participants think that they are seen as technical staff by other colleagues in the schools. And of them, 80% are uncomfortable with the situation, whereas only 20% state that they are not bothered. And there are some direct quotations from the interview transcript, but I am not going to read it to save time. If you need it, I can give you the whole transcript. The second theme is about the difficulties of ICT teachers, and almost all of them, 90% participants, think that ICT teaching is not a comfortable profession or even a difficult branch. The third theme, they feel underappreciated by others. All participants think that ICT teachers are not given the value they deserve, especially in the beginning of the COVID pandemic. The fourth theme is about their role in technology integration process. Half of the participants think that their assigned role and the authority in technology integration in education is insufficient. The final theme is about the status of the curriculum of their course. 80% of the participants do not find the course hours sufficient. They say they are not enough. They should be, extended. And 60% of the participants are not satisfied with the curriculum's current state. They would like it to be updated, especially the content of the courses. And almost half of the participants have some concerns about the importance of IT courses regarding the future perspectives. Therefore, the main conclusion of this study is ICT teachers are quite worried about the future of both their profession and curriculum of the courses they are taught teaching. They want to fulfill their profession in a more esteemed, valuable, and trouble-free way, and that they desire to feel themselves as teachers. Therefore, if necessary support is not provided, negative emotions of ICT teachers may continue to constitute a major impediment to their continuation of teaching profession. Thank you very much.